To troubleshoot Monday.com, create board. Start by understanding the basics of Monday.com and its board creation feature. A board in Monday.com is a visual representation of a project or workflow, consisting of items, columns, and groups. When creating a new board, you may encounter issues that prevent it from functioning as expected. First, ensure you have the necessary permissions to create a board. Check that you are logged into your Monday.com account and have the required access level. If you are unsure, contact your administrator or check the Monday.com documentation. Next, verify that you have selected the correct template or started with a blank board. If you are using a template, make sure it is suitable for your needs and that you have customized it accordingly. If you are starting from scratch, ensure that you have added the necessary columns and groups to your board. Common issues that may arise when creating a board include duplicate column names, incorrect column types, and missing mandatory columns. To resolve these issues, review your board structure and make any necessary adjustments. Ensure that each column has a unique name and that the column type is correct, such as text, date, or numeric. Another potential issue is item duplication or incorrect item ordering. To resolve this, check your item settings and ensure that you have configured the correct sorting and filtering options. You can also use the board's built-in filtering and sorting features to manage your items more effectively. To further troubleshoot your board, check the Monday.com documentation and community forums for solutions to common issues. You can also reach out to Monday.com support for personalized assistance. Additionally, consider using Monday.com's built-in debugging tools, such as the board's audit log, to identify and resolve issues. Best practices for creating and troubleshooting Monday.com boards include regularly reviewing and updating your board structure, using clear and descriptive column names, and establishing a consistent naming convention. By following these best practices and troubleshooting steps, you can create a well-structured and functional board that meets your needs and helps you achieve your goals. By understanding the basics of Monday.com boards, identifying common issues, and using the troubleshooting steps outlined above, you can quickly and effectively resolve any problems that arise when creating a new board. This will enable you to get the most out of Monday.com and streamline your workflow.